This is abacus tool. Now I am going to introduce abacus tool. This is outer frame. This is middle rod. These are rods. These are pointers. This is house pointer. This is upper beads and lower beads. How to count numbers on the abacus tool. Before that, we need to hold this pencil. So here is ones, tens, 100. Now let's start counting with the thumb finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then with pointer finger pull down and again use pointer finger to 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. Zoom out and using your left hand pointer finger 10. Now again using your right hand thumb 11, 12, 13, 14. Pull down with pointer finger and 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Zoom out 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Pull down 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Zoom out 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Pull down 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Zoom out 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Down 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Zoom out all and you need to use your left hand middle finger for 50. Thank you.